How to make AI song covers. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up sonato.ai/home and after that sign up using your Gmail ID, and it is quite easy. And after signing up, just click on this option of make a song and then name this particular project as T or anything that you want to. So we are naming it T for now and click on create. Now after that, you would have to describe your song in a few words. You can also describe the artist that you are looking to sing your song. You can also describe some more stuff about your song, and in case if you already have the lyrics with you, you can go with the option of advanced or the custom lyrics and just simply turn it on and you would be able to add your own lyrics. After describing your artist and everything about it, you can click on this option of generate and your song will be generated. In case if you are looking to get only instrumentals of any particular song, just simply click on this option of instrumental only and you would be getting instrumentals for that particular song. And for now we don't want that, so we will just simply click on this option of generate, and after you click on generate, this is how it will appear. Now it will generate the lyrics for you and the music and everything about a particular music and song, and just let it do its work. It will use your GPU, so sit tight and relax while your song is being generated. And this is how it will appear after your song is generated. In case if you didn't like the lyrics, you can make changes to it by clicking on this option of edit prompt or lyrics and make changes to it. And this is how you would be able to get 3 different songs for your prompt that you have just written. You can click or select any particular song and listen to it, and in case if you liked any particular song, just simply select it. And in case if you want to make changes to that particular song, like you didn't like some part of it, just simply click on this option of edit, and here you can select any particular part of this particular song and make changes to it by clicking on it and then selecting whether you want to make changes in the lyrics or the description, and then you can regenerate any selected part. After that, just change the that particular part and you should be able to see the changes over here as well. In case if you want to split the vocals and remove it, then click on this option of split parts, then select the option of remove vocals. And in case if you want to split any other part, just simply select the option of split all parts. In case if you want to use any particular AI voice for all your songs, then simply select this option of user rhythm control, and this way you would be able to control the rhythm of the AI voice. And in case if you want to share this particular song that you just created, then just simply select the option of share and download it, and you can name this particular song and get the shareable link as well. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.